Hello everybody, just gonna take a little ride. I'm gonna run by the car wash. The birds has some reason destroyed the top of my XB. Excuse the taped sunroof. That was put on before I bought the car, and it leaks. That's a future project, replacing that. What sucks and why this is happening, I don't know why anybody else is getting the issue, but there's power lines. Just the birds. And this does look older, so these cars now. I've been here. Lucky me. Alright, let's take a little road trip. We ain't going far. Yeah. Next thing to do is replace the windshield. I don't know if y'all can see it well in here, but it's cracked up. See? Next purchase. Alright. It is hot up in here. Very hot. My new dash cam. I do have a video up of it. Or not up. I'm working on a video to put up on it. I'm just trying to learn it before I finish up the video to put up. So we can see what it does. That's my favorite. Put it at, so it's half and half. All right, let's take a little road trip. Wash quite often. Who does a good job cleaning. Prices, okay. Pretty easy, straightforward to do their thing.
Please wait while we verify your membership.
And a million questions.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Alright, we fix to run through this thing. I didn't purchase the highest dollar car wash. It ain't had a bath in a while either. Now we're gonna vacuum this little dude out right quick. Shouldn't take but a minute. Oh, I got something neat to try. Something neat to try. I've never seen this before. So let's try this. My floor mats are a mess. It is the auto format dry brush system. Cool. This is hard to do one-handed too. Runs it through it, throws it out the bottom. That's freaking cool. check this out. They came nice and clean. I need to get an actual set. A nice set. My XB is relatively pretty nice on the inside, with the exception of the sunroof. I got a friend that's gonna weld in a piece of sheet metal. We're gonna get rid of this one day. He's even got a headliner. My XB is supposed to have leather seats, which I got those at home, but they are the front seats are very, 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 very tethered. Bad. Even the door panels. So I got all this stuff for like, I think 60, 70 bucks from a friend. Even these seats, I mean, they're not best in the world, but I'm got them from a friend. All right, let's finish up this load trip. We're going over to Publix. I'll show you how the outside looks there, where it'd be so much quieter than it is outside here. It's so noisy. Let's finish this little video up. I showed you a little bit of the inside already. I've had this vehicle almost 3 years now. Really hadn't done nothing to it except drive it. For a little while, I had to replace a few parts to make it run right, which I have a video of that. Just look back in my videos, you should find it pretty simple. I replaced a camshaft sensor. So, let's take you outside. I have Hercules wheels, 18s, iMotion Gen 2s. Most of it's off factory. The paint job, with the guy we took it to when it got sideswiped, ruined the paint. Wrong paint color. It's supposed to be the same color as the bumper that I got finally. Because when I bought this thing, it did not have the lower lips. So, now we got lower lips. And a whole bumper. All of it. I got it from a pretty good guy. He wrecked his. Same color as mine, supposedly. His has got normal wear and tear, exception right here where part of his wreck came into it. That's okay. I can live with that. I've been proud of this little car. It's paid off. It's done everything we want it to do. Now we just gotta get rid of that. That is our next someday plan. I'm hoping to do it this summer. And get a new windshield this summer. New lights, new fog lights. I'm gonna repaint the grill and get all that replaced. That's what she is. 2005 Scion XB. I couldn't ask for a better car.